Could Samsung's next foldable phone be the game changer we've all been waiting for? It seems like the wait might soon be over, with the company gearing up to reveal its next big innovation. After the launch of the Galaxy S25, all eyes are on what Samsung will do next, especially in the foldable category. The buzz is already building around the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, and from what we know so far, it could be one of the most exciting devices of 2025. Firmware development for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is already in motion, particularly for the European market, and that's a sure sign that Samsung is deep into the planning stages for the device. While we don't have all the specifics yet, it's highly likely that work is already underway for other regions as well, including for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. There's no denying that Samsung is preparing something special for its foldable lineup, and the excitement is palpable. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is what operating system it will ship with. Samsung has always been keen on offering the latest versions of its software with each new release, and it's expected that the Flip 7 will arrive with One UI 7.1, a refined version of its previous interface. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet, but if we look at Samsung's history, the chances of a minor upgrade to One UI are high. After all, every major flagship release usually comes with some software improvements, and Samsung has been consistent in providing new features and enhancements. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7 itself? The truth is, not much is likely to change dramatically in terms of design, but that doesn't mean Samsung isn't bringing something exciting to the table. The Galaxy Z Flip series has already set a high bar for foldable phones, and Samsung might just stick with a similar formula that works while making small tweaks to refine the experience. The flip phone design is already a fan favorite, and if Samsung keeps the same design, the focus will likely shift to improving its performance, display quality, and foldable mechanism. But that's not all. Samsung has been teasing a dual-hinge foldable phone, which could be a significant leap forward in foldable technology. The new device is rumored to be the star of Samsung's next Unpacked event, and if the rumors are true, this could be a game changer. This dual-hinge design would open up new possibilities for how foldable phones can be used, making them even more versatile and functional. Fans are eagerly waiting to see if Samsung will introduce this new form factor at their event, and if it does, it could push the foldable phone market to the next level. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might not be radically different from its predecessor, Samsung is still bringing new and exciting devices to the table. The company's future lineup includes the Galaxy S25 Edge and a new XR headset, both of which could be part of Samsung's broader 2025 plans. Whether these devices will join the foldable family or stand apart remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, Samsung is all in on innovation. When it comes to the Galaxy Z Flip 7, one of the most anticipated features is the upgrade to the software. Samsung has done an excellent job of One UI, offering a smooth interface with plenty of customization options. Fans are eager to see how the company will continue to refine the software and introduce new features in 2025. Could Galaxy A become even more intuitive? What new capabilities will the operating system bring to make the user experience even better? As we look forward to Samsung's Unpacked event, one thing is clear: the company is far from done innovating. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7 may not be drastically different from its predecessor, the combination of hardware improvements, software upgrades, and the potential for new features like Galaxy AI means there's plenty to look forward to. The foldable phone market is still evolving, and Samsung is at the forefront, setting the stage for a major breakthrough in 2025. The real excitement, of course, will come when the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is officially unveiled. Stay tuned, because 2025 could be the year that foldable technology truly takes off. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited about what's coming next, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on the other upcoming Samsung devices. Imagine a world where your voice assistant responds to anything you want, not just the default wake-up words. That's exactly what Samsung is offering with its latest Galaxy S25 series. They've introduced a feature that gives users complete control over how they wake up Bixby, the in-house voice assistant. Instead of the usual Bixby or Hi Bixby, you now have the freedom to pick any word or phrase that suits your style. Whether it's something playful or just a nickname, the choice is entirely yours, making interactions with Bixby feel more personal and fun. At first glance, many believe that with the rise of Google Gemini and its impressive artificial intelligence AI capabilities, Bixby might take a back seat. However, Samsung surprised everyone by improving its voice assistant, turning Bixby into a more capable and engaging tool. The custom wake-up phrase feature is just one of the upgrades. It's a simple yet powerful change that brings more flexibility and makes Bixby feel more like your assistant, one you can talk to in a way that fits your personality. But of course, this feature comes with a small catch. While the custom wake-up phrase is a great addition, it might not work as flawlessly as the default ones. Samsung has optimized the wake-up phrases Bixby and Hi Bixby for maximum accuracy. So when you choose a completely new phrase, the system might take a little longer to recognize it perfectly. The device could have trouble responding initially. Don't worry, it will learn with time. You can retrain it if needed, which is a minor inconvenience for the added flexibility and personal touch. Setting up your own wake-up phrase is incredibly easy. Start by going into the settings on your Galaxy S25. From there, go to the Advanced Features section and select Bixby. Once you're in the Labs section, you'll find the option to create a custom wake-up phrase. Enable this feature, and then navigate to the Voice Wake-up option. You'll see a menu where you can tap on Create Wake-up Phrase, Labs, and it'll guide you through the process. It asks you to say your desired phrase once, then repeat it 5 more times to ensure accuracy. After completing the process, your custom phrase will be saved and Bixby will recognize it from then on. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. You won't be able to choose wake-up words that are already used by other voice assistants like Hey Google, Alexa, or Siri. This prevents confusion and ensures that each assistant remains distinct. Samsung also takes privacy seriously. Once you've created your custom wake-up phrase, you have the option to delete the recordings used to train it. So if you decide that you no longer want to use your custom phrase, you can delete it and go back to the default wake-up words. This new feature is a game changer for anyone looking to make their Bixby experience more personalized. It adds a level of customization that wasn't available before, letting you control how you interact with your device. If you've got a Galaxy S25, don't miss out on this update. It's easy to set up, and it's a fun way to make your voice assistant truly your own. And there you have it. If you found this feature intriguing and want to stay up to date with all the latest in Samsung tech, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got more exciting updates on the way, and we'd love to share them with you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. The Google Pixel 9a has been generating buzz lately, and a recently surfaced image hints that its design may remain largely unchanged from its predecessor. One of the key compromises Google made with the previous model was the screen-to-body ratio. To keep the cost below $500 United States dollars, the device featured slightly thicker borders around the display, making the screen feel a bit less immersive. Based on this new leak, it seems like Google is continuing with the same approach, focusing on affordability rather than drastic design changes. The leaked image appears to be an official promotional render, but due to its low quality, some finer details are hard to make out. However, certain aspects stand out. The overall shape of the phone closely resembles other models in the lineup, such as the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, featuring rounded corners and a design language that fits seamlessly into Google's ecosystem. A noticeable difference is the front camera, which appears slightly larger than before. Additionally, antenna lines are visible along the edges, which suggests that Google might be refining connectivity features. One curious detail in the leak is the wallpaper shown on the display. It seems to be from a new collection that has not yet been seen on any current models in the Pixel 9 series. While this might not seem significant, Google often introduces new wallpapers alongside fresh hardware releases. The home screen layout, controlled by the Pixel launcher, appears to remain the same, which is expected since major software updates typically arrive with flagship launches and new Android versions rather than mid-range releases. Although the image quality makes it difficult to determine precise measurements, the display borders on the left, right, and bottom seem to be consistent in size. However, the top border appears to be slightly thicker. If this leak is accurate, it suggests that Google is maintaining